So this is the plan for today, is to build a boot rack out of 1/2 inch black pipe, which I bought from online retailer. I like the black pipe because it's not oily. It's basically designed for these kinds of indoor projects, not for plumbing. And so this is what the front view looks like. If you're down low, this is for winter boots mainly. And there's my list of materials. This is what the end view looks like of the same boot rack, and this is the top view. I'll talk about the union connections later. I don't know if that's a technical name, but that's what I'm using here, and that sort of helps bring all the parts together. So let's see how this all goes together. So you can immediately see my problem here is that I cannot connect this section together. That one was easy because I could spin it. This one I can't spin because this one's already fixed. So I need a union, one of these things. In here to do that. I need two, in fact, which means I need half the pipe there. So this is how I plan to connect the one section to the other. Because these unions don't connect by spinning this way, they connect by spinning this way. So therefore you can connect two sections together. Like that. So yeah, back to the drawing board on connecting these sections. But I'll just carry on a bit here just to make sure I've got everything else. Everything else is going to work out. So yeah, that looks like it'll fit the right number of boots. Okay, back to the drawing board on the boot rack. I drew this as 3 inches, so the issue was I needed to add a union between the pipes so I could connect them together. And originally I had a 6-inch pipe here, reduced that to 3-inch, cut it, sort of divide it in half, but there's no such thing as a 3-inch pipe in this kind of black pipe, or probably in any pipe for that matter, unless you make it custom. So I have to go with 2-inch. Fortunately, I had a fail on another project So I have some 2-inch left over from that, so I'm going to use 2-inch, and I think that'll work. Okay, I have to lean on this a bit to get this one in. Fortunately, it's still loose, so it's a little pliable. Get that in as far as I can. I'll leave that loose for now. So that's pretty good. Once these unions are tight, it really does make this stiff enough. So here are some images of the final product. I was happy with the way it turned out. It's nice and sturdy. Here's the design change. You'll see where the unions are in the end view and the top view, and then the 6-inch was replaced by 2 2-inch in each case. I hope this video is helpful.